FIFA Coin is coming, and it's got football fans and crypto traders buzzing. Could this be the next big play in fan tokens? Let's break down what we know, what's coming, and what it could mean for 2025. FIFA Coin is an upcoming cryptocurrency project designed to merge the global passion of football with the fast-growing world of blockchain. It's aiming to become a fan-driven digital currency, giving holders access to exclusive content, match-day experiences, voting rights, and even NFT collectibles linked to their favorite national teams. The coin will likely be launched on a popular blockchain like Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain, with utility that could include fan voting for team decisions, access to FIFA-partnered merchandise, rewards during tournaments, and integration into fantasy football and play-to-earn games. And yes, they're hinting at real-world partnerships with clubs, players, and possibly even FIFA events. According to early reports, the FIFA Coin launch is expected in late 2025, likely timed around a major tournament or partnership reveal. Airdrops for early supporters, whitelisting, and a public presale could start as early as Q3 2025, so keep an eye out. If it gains official support or strong backing from influencers and football clubs, FIFA Coin could see strong adoption. Some experts suggest it could launch at under $0.01, with potential to reach 10 to 25 cents in a bullish scenario, especially if it's adopted as a go-to token for fans worldwide. Will FIFA Coin score big or miss the net? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto news right here on our channel.